So that's our lemon aval upma made, a nice South Indian breakfast with a little bit of a zesty twist on there with the lemon. Absolutely delicious. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today we are making lemon aval upma, South India's breakfast dish. A fantastic zesty dish, really healthy, good for you. It's got everything in it, a little bit of protein, whatever, a bit of zestiness, and oh, come on, it's just fantastic. In here we have poha. Now, poha is basically flattened rice. It's as simple as that. We're not going to complicate it, that's what it is. It's cooked, dried, flattened rice. In there, we want to rinse it. Now, some people just rinse this in a sieve. I do it a different way around. I rinse it like this and drain out all that starch and put it into a sieve. So it's just a little gentle rinse in there. It's very, very healthy to eat, if you like rice, that is. And it's quick. You don't have to wait for it all to cook in a rice cooker. So we'll give that a drain and stick it in the sieve. So all you do is you just leave it in there, and then in 5 minutes time or thereabouts we'll just give it a little fluff up. So just give that a nice gentle fluff up with your fingers. That's all you've got to do. And you've got this lovely poha, look at that. There you go. Right, let's get cooking. Okay, want a little flame on, and we want to go in there with a little bit of oil. Not too much, just enough to get the mustard seeds and everything fried off. It's a nice and steady one. Right, just turn down that pan, because we're using a steel pan here, you know, so it's going to be quite hot. And in there, mustard seeds. There you go. A nice little popping on there. In there, chana and urad dal. In there, peanuts. Let's just give that a little toasting all together. A little bit of colour on there, a little bit of crispiness on the peanuts. Now if you have time, you can do it a different way too. You know, you can actually dry roast the peanuts and rub between your hands and get the skin off. That's entirely up to you. Right, we're in there with some curry leaves and some green chilli. Nice little stir on. In there, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of salt. Quick turn round. In there, our poha. Nice and gentle with this one. Just bring it in. Okay, we want to sprinkle a little bit of water in there. We're not going to go crackers on this, just a little bit. And we stick a lid on for about 2 minutes. Okay, you've had a couple of minutes. Just give it a gentle turn over and we can serve it up. Turn off the flame. Oh yeah. That looks a bit special. Want to be going in there with some coriander. Nice little gentle stir through. Oh, cut that goodness in there. That is proper goodness. And it's lemon in there with a good old squirt of lemon. Toss it through and serve it up. Nice little stir over, get that lemon all the way through there. Look at that. That is fabulous. Come on, let's serve it up. In there. On there, we got a little bit of fresh coconut. Look at that. Oh yeah. A little bit of banana. Oh, come on. There we have it, Lemon Aval Poha. Fantastic South Indian breakfast. Just look at that. There we go, what a fantastic healthy breakfast. Oh, dig in there, look at that. Oh, all that goodness there. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Amazing. Some banana. Now my way to eat it is with just a little bit of yogurt or curd. Everybody has their own preference. Oh, it's sensational. Oh yeah. Amazing, amazing healthy breakfast. Now, like I said, don't worry if you can't get the curry leaves. However, Asian stores do stock them, even frozen. That is amazing. And a nice little coffee. Bullet coffee on the channel. Oh yeah. Amazing. There you go, that's our Lemon Aval Poha. All I would say is just be a little bit careful on your teeth when you're eating with a chana dal. That's in there, has a little bit of crunch to it. That gives a texture. It's a delicious, delicious breakfast, really is. That's one from South India. Hope you like what we're doing. Share with your friends, tell them how easy it is to make this. You've got that, it's not even spicy, you know, even we put green chilies in, has a little warming, you got the lemon in there, add a bit more lemon if you want. I like it with yogurt or curd. It gives it that little sour undertone to go with it all. Serve it with some bananas and a nice coffee. Perfect breakfast. There you go. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh yeah.